Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix lagging iOS 26. Okay, so it's a common problem since we have an update into the iOS 26. A lot of people, including me, have problems with the lagging iOS, that it's not doesn't want to work properly, it gets lagged. The animations are simply choppy. And in here I'll show you what can we do with it. So we can reduce the motion first when we need to open up the settings. Now scroll down until you find accessibility. Now find the motion and enable to reduce the motion. It reduces the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. If it doesn't help, it can help with the minor problems and glitches. We can also perform a force restart of our iPhone. To do it, we need to click volume up, then volume down, and we need to start holding the power button for around 10 seconds until the phone turns off. So click volume up, volume down, and start holding the power button. We need to hold it for, just like I have said, around 10 seconds. Keep holding. We need to wait until the Apple logo appears. Okay, when it appears, we can release our fingers, and the force restart might help with that problems. Of course, there is always a chance that we need to simply wait until the Apple gives us another update. Maybe that's going to be the moment when they will fix those issues. So simply keep your iOS updated, wait for them, and when something appears and will be available to download, simply install it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.